There's a rule in journalism, which is you don't bury the lead. This is really the main thing you should go home with. This is well, unfortunately, I can't send you home with one. This is a new origami construction by Robert Lang, based on a mathematical construct by John Conway. It's interesting in sort of a Gathering for Gardener way. In 2002, John gave a little informal talk. Robert was there, and Robert saw this there. And then in 2012, I was talking with Robert about this, and I found out about it. And the 11 connection is, of course, that this is 2014. It started in 2002, and that's 11 years with an experimental error. So this is what's called a modular origami. Each of those pairs of triangles that you see, each of the triangles is an equilateral triangle, and each of the pairs is made from one piece of paper, and they all fit together in a very nice way. The structure is something that John Conway called Pentasia, and it has a very close connection to the kite and dart, I got to set it right, kite and dart tiling. So if you take a pair of equilateral triangles and you hinge them together, you have a lot of degrees of freedom, and if you do the right thing, you project them down into two space. In one case, you get the outline of a dart. In the other case, you get the outline of a kite. And by fitting these together in the two space, it tells you what you need to do in the three space, or vice versa. And you get, eventually, something like this. This is another small part. The underlying figure there in two space is called the sun. That's just its name in aperiodic tile land. And so John named this the Tower of the Sun. It's very nice. It has this nice knob on top of it. And where I came in, as I said, well, there's probably a similar construct for the ROMs as well, the aperiodic ROM construction. I have worse diagrams for this. There is, in fact, one of these. This is called I'm probably butchering the pronunciation, Varinga roof. And apparently this is an actual crystallographic structure. Some physical crystals have this shape to them. This was known before 2002. John didn't know about it. Robert didn't know about it. I didn't know about it. It was pointed out to us by Janine Mosley. And this also could be done as a paper structure. I've just got late word that a student of Eric Domain's has come up with a folding for this. If anybody knows more about Varinga roofs, including how to pronounce it correctly, I would love to talk to you. And that's it. So again, this is work Robert Lang, Barry Hayes, and unfortunately it looks like it slipped off. The imaginary author is John Conway, which makes my Erdős number I+1. And thanks again to Janine. There is a full write-up including how to do the origami in the Mathematical Intelligencer, the most recent issue, winter 2013. Thank you, everybody.